Just want to share with you how our class meetings will occur in this class this semester. First of all, we will meet face-to-face or online each week for 15 weeks of the semester. The only time we won't meet is Thanksgiving week, where we have a break. And remember that if you're in my Wednesday class, we will meet, as the class calendar has, from 11 to 12:15 every Wednesday. And if you're in my Thursday class, our class calendar looks like this, and we will meet on Thursdays from 9:30 until 10:45. Okay, so let's go back to the PowerPoint here and see. So that's when we meet. So let me tell you a little bit about each type of meeting. The face-to-face class meetings are going to occur on the Cooper campus in the AT building. AT 115 is the room number. The AT building is the academic technical building, which is this building over here. Here's the parking lot. It's the building right here. And when we meet face to face, it is required that everyone wears face masks and that we observe social distancing. And the desks will already be spread out in the class so that they're 6 feet apart. Now, when we meet online, we'll meet in Blackboard Collaborate, and you get to the Blackboard Collaborate online room by coming to our Blackboard Collaborate page, Blackboard page. You find Blackboard Collaborate, you click on Join the Session, and then you click on the class meeting. And you see the Class 1 meeting is there because we actually will have our first class meeting online. We've been told that all instruction should occur remotely for the first week of class. So for our first class meeting, we will meet online together at the same time. So let me kind of show you just how this will work or how you access this online meeting. So this is what it looks like to join the Blackboard Collaborate room, the place where we're going to meet if we have to meet online all together. So you come to Blackboard Collaborate on our Blackboard page right here, and you see this Join the Session. Click on Join the Session, and then you'll find our class meeting. And actually our first class, Class 1, is actually going to be online together. I click on that. You'll see this little purple circle thing going around. For you guys coming on for the first time, it'll ask you to type your name and then join the session. You can click on this icon to share your mic. You probably want to turn your mic off in the beginning. If you click on Share Video, it will share your video. Okay, and put it down in the corner over there. And then the other thing you should do is click on this purple tab over here, because this will open up the chat box. You click on this little chat circle right there. Come on and click. And you can send a message to everyone. Say, hi, I am here. You can type. Then you just press enter. And then that message will go into the chat where everyone can see. And on this main page, I might have something up here already, a handout or a welcome message. And your little picture might show down here if we keep our cameras on. If you have a question, you can raise your hand, and then I'll see that you have a question. Okay, that's how you join the Blackboard Collaborate classroom. And so then, so this is what it looks like. Let me just take you a little further. And then just let me remind you that attending class meetings is required for this class. This is not a completely online class. It's a hybrid class, which means we do have some times together. And here's the statement from the syllabus about attendance and weekly participation. And basically it tells you that participation in this class includes attending our class meetings, completing the pre-class activities, and the post-class activities. And here's an important thing to keep in mind. Students who miss more than 4 class meetings will not be eligible to pass this class. So it is required that you attend meetings face-to-face if they occur face-to-face, or if they occur online, then you have to make sure that you join the class in Blackboard Collaborate online. And just one last reminder, remember our first class will be online. We will not be meeting face to face, but we'll meet online. So I'll see you in the Blackboard Collaborate online classroom for our first class meeting.